If you're trying to create a consistent AI character for content, ads, or social media, this video will save you a lot of trial and error. The answer for this is Higgsfield AI, which is one of the few tools that actually keeps the same character across poses, outfits, and lighting. I'll walk you through the exact setup I use, show real results, and also where this tool struggles, so you know whether it's worth using before you pay for anything. I've added my own link in the description if you decide it fits your use case. Here's why we will use Higgsfield instead of random image generators. You can train one character once, reuse that character across unlimited scenes, keep face, hair, and proportions stable. Save time compared to prompt guessing every image. If you're building a personal brand, a faceless content channel with a main character, UGC-style ads, or consistent thumbnails, this is where Higgsfield makes sense. Before opening the tool, your image selection matters more than any setting. Higgsfield lets you upload up to 70 images per character, and before you panic, you only need 20 good images. Use different lighting, multiple angles, neutral expressions, different outfits. Avoid filters, sunglasses, extreme facial expressions, AI-generated faces mixed with real ones. The more variety you give it, the more consistent the output will be. If you don't have images ready, simply generate one image of your model. This is going to be your baseline, and start for the other images. Use Nano Banana Pro to generate the image, as this model generates very realistic images. From there, I prepare 20 prompts for my character in different poses, angles, and environments, and I generate each image with Nano Banana Pro. Luckily, I've made a prompt document with 20 prompts, so you can just copy and paste each prompt for each image. Once that is done, go to Character and click Create Character. Here, you will be able to upload all 20 images with different poses, angles, and environments. The good and excellent metric below are good indicators that our images are ready for character creation. Click on Generate and wait for a couple of minutes. Usually it takes around 5 to 10 minutes for your character to be fully generated. Once ready, click on your avatar and hit Generate. From here, we will paste our prompt, make sure the Soul feature is on, and click Generate for free. We can generate multiple images for free to test our avatar, which is great. As you can see, Eve got an amazing output with consistent face and body as well. Prompting it once with simple prompts is good, but prompting it with harder and more complicated prompts is where the real magic happens. The most challenging prompts are always the eating prompts. So let's feed our avatar so she is not hungry. We will paste the eating prompt in here and click Generate. As you can see, the facial expressions are here, and what matters is that the identity stays the same, which it does here. This is where Higgsfield performs better than most general image tools. Quick warning: if you generate only using a style, without a prompt, consistency drops. The style starts to override the character. Always use at least a simple prompt if consistency matters. However, still, even without the prompt, it did a really good job, as you can see. The beach photos were vibrant, realistic, and the face looked pretty good. We tried dozens of different styles, with prompts, without prompts, with difficult prompts, and with simple prompts, and honestly, Higgsfield is really impressive. We got the best output with medium-sized, specific prompts and less complicated words. Higgsfield is worth using if you want a recurring character, realism matters more than fantasy, you're creating repeat content or ads. It's not ideal if you want extreme creativity, you only need 1 or 2 images, you don't care about character identity. Their basic plan starts at around $9 per month, which is very cheap compared to what you're getting inside. If character consistency is something you've struggled with, Higgsfield is worth testing. I've added a link in the description so you can try it today. They are currently running big discounts, so this is your best chance to grab it. If you've already used it, let me know in the comments what worked and where it fell short, and if you want more honest AI tutorials like this, check out the next video.